Alright guys, using this in 20 minutes your skin is going to be amazing. And the first ingredient we're going to be needing is going to be lemon. Now lemon is a great citric acid fruit. It contains vitamin C that is so nourishing to the skin, and it helps the skin glow. It brightens up the skin, removing pigments, lifts up a saggy skin, and it also helps to exfoliate the dead skin cells. And then we're going to be needing orange. Now orange is the number one, loaded with vitamin C that helps to prevent the skin from aging. It helps to glow the skin, polish up the skin, brighten up the skin, and also nourish the skin. So the next ingredient we're going to be needing will be yogurt. Now yogurt is loaded with lactic acids and amino acids. This acid helps to remove the appearances of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, and to also help in reverting the signs of aging, therefore making you feel and look young. And now we're going to be making use of carrot. Now carrot is an excellent remedy for the skin because it tightens up the pores. It helps to firm up or lose a saggy skin, and it also helps to glow the skin. Mixing this up with other natural ingredients will be very beneficial for the skin, and it helps to nourish up the skin. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to cut the carrot in pieces because I will be blending it, and I just need a little quantity bowl. Okay, while I prepare my blender, I'm also going to be cutting it in pieces. Alright guys, so I'm going to be turning that into the blender. Alright, properly blended. Now I'll have to be transferring this into the blender. Okay, so I'm going to be putting about 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Stir this up, and this is how it looks like now. Now I have to put in the liquid remedy. Squeeze in a little quantity of lemon into this. And then I'm going to stir that up, okay? And the consistency should be liquid, just like this. Okay, so now for this guys, I have to apply it 1 to 2 hours in a week, okay? And it's going to help so much in repairing the skin. It's going to help to remove pigments. It's going to help to remove wrinkles. It's going to help to revert the signs of aging, and it's also going to help to make you look younger. Hey guys, so the first thing you should do when you want to apply your anti-aging remedy treatment, you have to dab your face with water, just like I did right now, okay? So that's the first thing you're going to do. Now the second thing, grab your brush and you apply Oh my god, it's so cooling. It's so cooling and it smells nice, thank god. Okay. So you have to refrigerate this for it to be very effective. And those laugh line, this eye place, you have to apply this treatment everywhere in those places, okay? Okay, so after which you've applied, then the next thing is for you to either scrub or you leave it like this for some while. Okay, leave it like that for some while, and then sorry, I'm chewing gum, it's been terrible. Okay, so you leave it like that for some while, and then it's gonna get into your skin, and then you have to wash it with lukewarm water. Now if you repeat this 2 times in a week, like trust me, 2 times in a week, your wrinkled skin, your dull skin, dry skin, rough skin, I mean your skin is gonna glow. Basically your skin is gonna glow. Okay, so that's basically what you'd be needing to glow your skin. All right, so I'm gonna go wash it off and I'll be right back. I'll see you in another video.